Hi there, wig lover. This is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and I'm bringing you a re-review of a wig that I have already reviewed twice. Now let me tell you why, and then I'll tell you more about this wig. I love this wig. I really do. I think that this one comes at a great price, comes in some great looking colors, and I particularly love this one from my big girls. You hear me? If you are of the multi-chin persuasion, this is a fabulous wig. It's a manageable length, the texture is glorious, and it's got all this up here to help you pull attention to your eyes and away from this, okay? So I think that I didn't do this wig any favors the first couple of times I reviewed it because I kept reviewing it in a high fashion color. I reviewed it in champagne blush, and it's kind of like an inversion of what a lot of other manufacturers do. You know, a lot of manufacturers, they'll have like the strawberry on top and then the baby blonde tips. Well, this is like baby blonde on top and then strawberry at the tips. And I don't think people really saw the forest for the trees. I don't think they actually saw how cute the wig was because they were paying too much attention to the color. So I decided to review Carolyn by Revlon in a natural looking color. This is 8R, which by the way is almost identical to my bio hair color. So I picked this color intentionally because I think that, well, for one, a customer ordered it in this color and I was like, light bulb moment. And so I was like, this is a perfect opportunity, honestly, because I think that if you see what this one looks like on me in a natural looking color, you'll be like, oh, that looks so much prettier than I thought it would, because it's so pretty. I love this wig. So let me talk about it a little bit. I've already reviewed it twice, so I'm not going to go into like too much detail. If you really want to see like the inside of the cap and all that stuff, watch one of the other two videos because I've already discussed this twice, once in HD and once with my original camera. But I just wanted to show you it in this color. This is sort of what I would consider a wavy shag. By that, it's got lots and lots of layering on the top, and then, you know, progressively in layers, it gets longer towards the bottoms. But very beautiful cut. I don't think the manufacturer photos for this wig do it any justice whatsoever because this is straight out of the box. Haven't even combed it. It's so much prettier in real life. And like I said, the manufacturer photos don't even come close to showcasing how pretty this one is. Now, this is right out of the box. Can you imagine how pretty Caroline looks if you style her, or if you wash her, or heaven, if you comb her? She looks dynamite. In fact, I'm gonna go ahead and comb her for you so we can go ahead and show you, because I really love this one, and it doesn't make any sense to me why this one is kind of like a sleeper on my site, because you know, I pay attention to what people order, I pay attention to what people talk about, and people talk about wigs like this, or, you know, they ask me, Heather, you know, I'm a bigger girl, what's gonna look good on me? And, you know, this one's so beautiful, it's so glamorous, and like I said, the price is really great on this one. It's around $125, so it's just really wallet friendly, in addition to being really pretty. And of course we do price match, so if you see it at another site at a better price, let me know. It doesn't hurt to ask, right? So let me go ahead and show you what this one looks like all the way around. So it's worth a shot. For this price and with this much potential, check this one out. It's wonderful for bringing attention to the best part of your face and kind of framing and or detracting from this general mess. So from one soft-chinned girl to another, I'm telling you, check out the Carolyn wig by Revlon. They have lots of natural looking colors as well as some very beautiful fashion colors, as I've demonstrated not once but twice. So until next time, I'm Heather from CysterWigs.com signing off. Have a good night and check out my web store if you have a chance. Until next time, bye.